Welcome to a world where dreams and tranquility intertwine, where the night sky paints a tapestry of stars and the moon illuminates hidden wonders. In this guided meditation bedtime story, you will embark on a magical exploration of Venice's enchanting nighttime realm, with you, the listener. Close your eyes and allow yourself to be transported to the serene streets and shimmering waterways of this captivating city. As the moon casts its gentle glow upon the canals, you will embark on a journey of rest and relaxation, guided by descriptive imagery and the soothing power of storytelling. Each chapter will transport you to a different corner of Venice, unveiling its secrets and enchantments, while gently guiding you towards a state of profound calmness and sleep. Immerse yourself in the flowery language and intricate details of this tale as you surrender to the allure of Venice's mystical nights. Let the scenes unfold before your mind's eye, painting vivid pictures of moonlit bridges, hidden gardens, and the serenade of gondolas gliding through tranquil waters. Together, we will create a sanctuary of tranquility, where you can find respite from the worries of the day and peacefully drift into a restful slumber. Prepare to embark on a journey of deep relaxation and serene dreams as you delve into the captivating chapters of this guided meditation bedtime story set amidst the magical nights of Venice. May this tale envelop you in its beauty, guiding you towards a night of blissful sleep and waking up refreshed, ready to embrace a new day with a sense of calm and serenity. Welcome to the world of tranquility that awaits you in the heart of Venice. As you settle into your bed, close your eyes and imagine yourself in the enchanting city of Venice, Italy. The moonlight casts a soft glow over the city's ancient buildings, creating a magical ambience. You find yourself standing on a bridge overlooking a labyrinth of winding canals, where gondolas glide gracefully through the serene waters. The sound of gently lapping waves and the distant echo of melodic songs fill the air, lulling you into a state of tranquility. You inhale the subtle scent of saltwater mingled with hints of jasmine, carried by the gentle breeze that caresses your face. The air feels cool and refreshing against your skin, awakening your senses and bringing a sense of calmness to your entire being. As you continue your journey through Venice's nighttime wonderland, you find yourself in the sprawling St. Mark's Square. The grandeur of the historic buildings is illuminated by a multitude of stars twinkling in the night sky. Their shimmering light casts a celestial glow upon the cobblestone square, creating a mesmerizing scene. The sound of distant laughter and joyous conversations drifts through the air, intermingling with the distant echo of church bells. You find a cozy spot to sit, bathed in the soft, golden light emanating from the surrounding street lamps. From here, you can observe the dancers twirling gracefully, accompanied by the enchanting melodies of a street musician's violin. The music resonates in your soul, evoking a deep sense of peace and harmony. You feel embraced by the serenity of the night as the gentle rhythm of the music guides you towards a state of profound relaxation. As you continue your exploration of Venice, you find yourself strolling along the famed Rialto Bridge. The bridge is adorned with intricate carvings and elegant arches that seem to whisper tales of the city's rich history. You pause for a moment to admire the breathtaking view of the Grand Canal below. The moon reflects on the water's surface, casting a shimmering pathway that leads to distant horizons. Gondolas glide beneath the bridge, their black silhouettes contrasting against the water's gentle ripples. The sound of footsteps and soft conversations create a symphony of whispers that echoes through the narrow streets. You feel the ancient stones beneath your feet, cool and smooth, grounding you in the present moment. You take a deep breath, savoring the fragrant aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafting from a nearby cafe, and feel a sense of serenity wash over you. Venturing away from the bustling streets, you find yourself in the hidden embrace of Venice's secret gardens. These lush, Verdant oases offer a sanctuary away from the noise and chaos of the city. Each step you take reveals a new tapestry of colors and scents as you meander through manicured paths lined with vibrant flowers and towering cypress trees. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of roses, jasmine, and lemon blossoms. You pause near a tranquil pond adorned with water lilies, their delicate petals resting on the calm surface. A symphony of chirping birds and the rustling of leaves create a natural melody, inviting you to rest upon a weathered stone bench. As you sit, you feel a gentle warmth emanating from the sun-drenched surroundings, comforting your body and soul. The peace and tranquility of the secret gardens embrace you, easing away any lingering tensions and preparing you for a restful night's sleep. In the heart of Venice, the city's vibrant and mystical spirit comes alive through the annual masked carnival. You find yourself amidst a bustling crowd, the air filled with anticipation and excitement. Elaborate costumes and intricately designed masks add an aura of mystery and enchantment to the night. The sound of laughter and joy fills the labyrinthine streets, as performers in colorful attire dance and twirl to the rhythm of traditional music. Vibrant ribbons float in the air, weaving a tapestry of vibrant colors above your head. You immerse yourself in the festivities, feeling the energy and joy of the crowd infusing your very being. As you observe the elaborate displays and marvel at the creativity surrounding you, a sense of wonder and delight washes over you, guiding you towards a state of profound relaxation. Leaving the lively carnival behind, you find yourself in the quiet and mysterious alleyways of Venice. The moonlight filters through narrow gaps between the buildings, casting elongated shadows on the cobblestone paths. You wander through the labyrinth, guided by the flickering glow of vintage street lamps, their warm light creating a cozy and intimate atmosphere. The whispers of history linger in the air as you pass weathered facades and ancient doorways. Ivy crawls up the walls, casting intricate patterns of shadows that dance with the gentle breeze. You run your fingers along the cool, rough texture of the stone walls, feeling a sense of timelessness enveloping you. The sound of your footsteps reverberates through the narrow passages, creating a calming rhythm that syncs with the beating of your heart. The serenity of these whispering alleyways embraces you, inviting you to let go and drift into a peaceful slumber. A moment of tranquility finds you standing upon the iconic Bridge of Sighs. The moon casts a delicate light upon the bridge, illuminating the ornate stone carvings and intricate lattice work. You gaze out over the quiet canals, feeling a gentle breeze brush against your skin. The bridge holds a timeless aura, a passage connecting two worlds, the outside world of bustling life and the hidden world of ancient prisons. As you take in the scenery, you imagine the stories of long-forgotten souls who once traversed this path. A sense of compassion washes over you as you honor their struggles and acknowledge the preciousness of freedom. You take a deep breath, inhaling the salty air that carries with it a sense of liberation. The Bridge of Sighs becomes a symbol of release, allowing you to let go of any burdens or worries that weigh you down. With each exhale, you feel lighter, freer, and more prepared to embrace the peace that awaits in your dreams. In the stillness of the night, you find yourself aboard a gondola, gliding effortlessly through the intricate network of canals. The gondolier navigates with graceful strokes, propelling the boat forward with expertise and ease. The water laps gently against the sides of the vessel, creating a soothing rhythm that resonates with your heartbeat. Above, a canopy of stars paints the sky, their reflections mirrored in the calm waters below. The city seems to float, as if suspended between reality and dreams. The soft glow of lamplight spills from windows, casting warm, inviting shadows upon the facades of centuries-old buildings. You lean back against the plush cushions of the gondola, feeling the gentle swaying motion lull your body into a state of relaxation. The soothing sound of the gondolier's voice intertwines with the soft lapping of the water, carrying you further into the realm of tranquility. Leaving the gondola behind, you find yourself in a secluded courtyard, hidden away from the world. Here, the melody of silence dances on the night air, inviting you to embrace its serenity. The cobblestones beneath your feet are cool and smooth as you wander through the courtyard, admiring the delicate play of moonlight on the stone statues and ornate fountains. A gentle rustling of leaves and the occasional distant chime of a church bell create a symphony of peacefulness. You find solace on a stone bench, feeling the coolness seep through your clothing, grounding you in the present moment. Your breath slows as you drink in the beauty that surrounds you, finding comfort in the stillness and calmness of the night. Time seems to stand still in this quiet oasis, allowing you to release any remaining tensions and surrender to the embrace of tranquility. As the night deepens, you find yourself returning to your own inner sanctuary. You lie in your comfortable bed, feeling the softness of the sheets and the gentle weight of the blankets cocooning you in warmth and security. The events of your guided journey through Venice's nighttime wonders still fresh in your mind, you allow your imagination to take flight once more. You envision a beautiful garden within your own being, a sanctuary of peace and serenity. The moonlight casts a gentle glow upon the flowers that bloom in vibrant colors, their petals unfurling to reveal the beauty within. The stars in the sky above align in perfect harmony, as if guiding you towards a deep and restful sleep. You embrace the tranquility within, knowing that you hold the power to find peace and relaxation whenever you need it. As you drift off to sleep, carried by the gentle waves of your own breath, you find solace in the knowledge that the enchantment of Venice and the serenity of your inner garden will always be there, ready to embrace you whenever you seek respite. Good night, dear listener, and may your dreams be filled with the magic of peaceful slumber.